Hey everybody! In today's video I will be showing you how to clear your recent searches on Instagram. You can use this method if you have a lot of searches that you cannot remove one by one, or you want to remove searches that were a long time ago. So guys, make sure to follow this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download Instagram if you haven't already. After that, go into the application and log in. After entering the application, you will want to go to the search down below. You will want to click on the search and then go and tap the search bar that is at the top of the page, where you will be able to search accounts. As you can see, I currently have cleared all my searches and don't have any accounts. So let's go and search something. Let's search some famous footballers such as Messi or maybe Mbappe. Sorry, typed it wrong. Search some accounts that you want to see. So guys, after doing that and going back to your search, you will now see the searches in your recent searches. As you can know, you can click on the gray X sign at the right corner, and you can click on this and remove searches one by one. This is a good method that you can use, but it will take a long time. There are a lot of searches, or if you want to remove even older searches from long ago. As you can see here, you can see all. Let's search again some accounts such as again some famous footballers. You can search anything you want, you can delete anything you want. I'm just doing this to show you how you can do it. As you can see now, let's see one more account so you can see the option. Yes, okay, so now we have 3 accounts and we can do this method. As you can see, clicking X one by one is also a good method, but there is something you can do to clear them all at once. You can click on the blue See All button in the upper right corner. After clicking that, you will be entered to your search history. Here you can see all your searches that have been happening that you haven't cleared. After that, you will want to click on the blue Clear All button. This will clear every search from your search history in just one button. As you can see, this will prompt me to confirm that I want to clear all, and this will delete them forever. Clicking clear all, we can now go back to our search bar and see that there are again no more searches. So guys, you can use this method if you have a lot of searches that you often need to clear, so you do not have to clear them one by one. So guys, I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and bye.